The hero has come to die. And embers awake within my throat to melt the frozen air. I rake my obsidian talons deep to leave your shoulder bare. You brace behind the silvered oak as I breathe a wall of flame. The monster of the hollow dark that never had a name. The steel rings out, a flash of light, the bite of iron cold. And my severed head falls to the moss as ancient tales are told. You inch the leather around my throat, a trophy for your pride. To watch the world through sightless eyes, hanging by your side. Side by your side, 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 side your side. Through the mires of the weeping bog and peaks of jagged stone, you carve a path through shadow kin with a heart of flint and bone. 100 ghosts and hollow things fall screaming to the clay, while I witness every bloody step along your homeward way. Across the parched and sun-scorched plains where lesser men would fail, you carry me through storm and dust, a grim and silent trail. The kingdom spires pierce the clouds, our destinies allied. A nightmare bound in rusted chains, swinging by your side, side by your side, side by side by your side, side by your side, side by your side, side by your side. The heavy gates of iron swing, the marble floors ring loud. You cast my head before the throne amidst the gasping crowd. Though breath is gone, my hatred burns, a low and venomous hiss, to show the king and weeping queen the face of the abyss. The golden blade rests on your back, the